So I'm just showing him. Do you know this Sundeep? You don't know this Sundeep?
Same.
Sundeep?
First time seeing.
This nightlife in Bangalore. You can see too much light. Very brilliant. The other places we were was a little bit dark and dull, and here is amazing. Okay. Welcome to China in India. This is how we are entering China in India, in Bangalore. Very nice designs, balloons that are lighting up there. As you can see, I don't know what to expect, but it's looking so beautiful up there. Also look at these nice structures. We don't know where we're going, we're just exploring the city to see what it has to offer. Are we going this way or this way? I'm looking for Sundeep. I'm looking for Sundeep. The market where Sundeep is coming from. Can we go inside here? I'm looking for Sundeep. Good. So I'm thinking this is just an open air market where you have clothes. Nice. Yeah, this is nice fabric.
Huh?
After discount.
850 rupees.
Okay. Do you know Sundeep?
Sundeep?
Yes. You don't know Sundeep?
Sundeep from?
I'm looking for Sundeep.
Sundeep.
Sundeep is very famous.
Yeah, in Bangalore.
Yeah, in all of India. Sundeep.
It's Kannada actor.
You know him? He's doing like this every time on TikTok. So my friend he doesn't know Sundeep, unfortunately. Sundeep. I'm still looking for Sundeep in this country. No Sundeep in this place. That guy is very famous, but he's not here. Unfortunately, not many people know him. We enjoy his content on social media, but Mr. Sundeep, please come back to your village. We are looking for you here. Do you know Sundeep?
Sundeep?
Yeah.
It's Sundeep.
Sundeep. We are looking for Sundeep.
No.
He's very famous.
Which country that?
The whole of India.
Sundeep.
You don't know him? Fortunately, my friend doesn't know Sundeep.
Sundeep. Full name was
Sundeep, we just know him as Sundeep.
full name.
It's called Sundeep official.
I'm from Kerala. I have
You're from Kerala?
Many friends Sundeep. My classmate name also Sundeep. He asked me only Sundeep. No.
So Sundeep is a common name.
Common name.
It's a common name.
No, not here.
We
Not
own
my
in
common.
Kerala.
In Kerala is a common name.
Okay.
Sundeep Warrior.
Okay.
One my friend also Sundeep.
Sundeep. Sundeep, please come from Dubai. We are looking for you here. We are looking for you, brother.
Kerala many people is Sundeep.
In Kerala, too many. In Kerala, everybody is Sundeep.
Not in Bangalore. Kerala.
In Bangalore, no Sundeep. We are looking for you, brother Sundeep. Please come back. He's very famous. You know that?
One more Sundeep was second. I search.
He's very, very famous. Sundeep, let me show you.
Yeah, I will confuse that Sundeep also. One second.
I want to show you Mr. Sundeep. This is Sundeep. Where is Mr. Sundeep?
This Sundeep.
Ya salam. Too many Sundeep here. In Kerala.
Yeah, also Kerala.
In Kerala. So we have this. This is the only Sundeep we know. Let me show you. This is the only Sundeep.
Different?
So I'm just showing him. Do you know this Sundeep? You don't know this Sundeep?
Same.
Sundeep?
First time seeing.
This is Sundeep. See this guy?
Yeah.
You don't know this Sundeep?
But I have seen in YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
So we are looking for him.
We live in Kerala.
In Kerala.
His hometown is from Kerala. But
So we should go to Kerala and find Sundeep there.
Maybe.
What's your name?
Muhammad Faisal.
Muhammad Faisal. Assalamu alaikum, brother. You are from Kerala also?
No, I'm from Bangalore.
From Bangalore here?
Yeah.
You speak Kannada?
Little bit.
Little bit. What language do you speak?
Mostly in hometown Urdu.
Urdu. Okay. We should learn that Urdu. Inshallah.
Where are you from?
From Kenya. Kenya.
Kenya.
You know Kenya? In East Africa. So we do like this. We are learning to do like this. Yeah. So you're advising us to go to...
No. Not like that. He live in Dubai.
Now he's in Dubai.
Yeah. But his hometown is from Kerala.
Finally we find somebody who knows Sundeep. Now you know Sundeep.
Even I was following him. I get little.
Can you tell him? Tell him, brother. How are you? I miss you,
Sundeep,
brother.
I miss you, bro. Make some more videos about like your content. I like your content.
Thank you.
I'll meet
This
you
is
one day.
this is Faisal from Muhammad
Faizan.
Faizan from Bangalore. He's saying hello to Mr. Sundeep. Finally, we found somebody who knows Sundeep and actually follows them.
I have saw that video what you just showed me.
Yeah.
I love that video.
Thank you.